Grandma went to the library. Here I come with all my goodies. Looks like someone made a rocking chair. Who's the quesadilla for?
Me. Where are you going?
Did you make a rocking chair?
No.
All right, not a rocking chair, but a rocking horse. And I have to ship his rocking chair legs. And I have to make a special box, smaller than the box we have, so he can save $4 on shipping. What are we doing today?
Working on crap.
No, but what are we doing to the car?
Working on steering.
Steering! Awesome. That is a new chapter. You guys excited? We're working on the steering today. I am. Let's see what we did last time. The last time you caught yourself on fire. These corners look awesome. All right, I'm not sure if this is gonna make it in the show or not, but I'm gonna make a box. Okay, everybody, this box is gonna become a different box. All right, so first you gotta...
Don't trash it.
I'm not. Just look at that. That's gonna be perfect.
Keep it as small as you can.
I'm going to. Look at it from here. We're saving 38 cents, everybody.
$10 freaking dollars.
I'll build the box, you build the car. Wow.
Make it nice.
I'm gonna make it nice. Save you $3.20. Uh-oh.
Why'd you cut so short on that end?
Don't worry.
You are the worst box maker ever.
Don't worry, I got it.
No, you're using. I gave you good tape.
Can I just go get it wet?
No.
Use a sponge or something?
You're gonna get a little damp, moisten the glue. Where are you going?
Get wet.
No, how are you getting wet?
There's water outside.
No, what are you? Get yourself a rag. Get a rag down.
All right. Okay, this is my project. You go. Go away.
Right on the box. I did not make this box. I took it to a special ed school.
Stop.
No, stop. I'll make the box later. Don't worry about it.
No, I got it. I got it. See? Okay, now I just gotta get the tape wet. I got it wet. I rubbed it on there.
What are you got going on there?
It's just getting started. Let it dry. Just go do your thing. I just don't know about this tape.
No, that's the best tape in the world.
Can you see him keep looking at me? He keeps looking at me like I don't know what I'm doing. Quit looking. Look at this thing. It's coming together quite nice. Do a couple safety straps. Just quit looking. Check it out. Look at it. What do you think?
So you got flappy corners.
Yeah, but they're held by the security straps. It's just a box. I saved you $6 and it only took me an hour. Where were you?
What are you doing?
Where were you?
Why were you going to look for me?
What?
Why were you going to look for me?
Because I haven't seen you for a minute. What were you trying to find?
I need you to find something.
Oh, what do I need to find?
Where's all the brake stuff?
Brake?
Yeah.
For what car?
This.
What do you mean brake stuff?
The brake stuff?
The old brake stuff?
No, the new brake stuff.
It's on the car. Right there.
Oh, you're missing road. You're missing.
Oh, I know what that stuff is.
Yeah, that's the brake stuff. Need these bolts.
That's all you need are bolts?
Nuts and nuts, the long bolts for that.
All right, you guys gotta find the brake stuff.
Hey, look, all the brake stuff.
In here? All right, so a quick little explanation of what your goal is.
I don't know what my goal is.
Yes, you do. Just explain it.
Shorten this.
There you have it. Now everybody knows we're shortening
The
this.
steering arm, bolt to the spindle.
That was so easy.
Well, you should listen for.
You never say anything.
What are you doing?
You're making a show.
You make horrible shots sometimes.
Wheels are straight. Looks good. So why are you putting your tools away? We got more to do.
Setting them off the car so you can put them away for tools I don't need.
So what did you do?
What did I do?
Okay. Let me say it a different way. What did you do?
What did I do?
What did you do today?
Just welded it piece together, make the steering where we can move it.